Franchise law firms versus franchise business consultants. Which one is better for global expansion? Most entrepreneurs get this wrong, assuming that any consultant can handle the complexities of international franchise expansion. The surprising truth is that legal expertise and business strategy serve very different but complementary roles. Franchise law firms specialize in the legal frameworks that govern franchising. They draft and review franchise agreements, ensure compliance with local and international laws, and protect intellectual property. For example, when a US-based brand wants to expand into Europe or Asia, franchise law firms ensure that agreements comply with each country's franchise regulations, competition laws, and consumer protection statutes. Without this guidance, companies risk fines, lawsuits, or even the invalidation of franchise agreements. Franchise business consultants focus on strategy, market entry, and operational planning. They analyze target markets, identify potential franchisees, and create growth plans that maximize revenue and brand consistency. A consultant might advise on ideal locations, franchisee training programs, and supply chain logistics, helping the brand scale efficiently. The key difference is legal protection versus business growth. Law firms safeguard your rights and ensure compliance, while consultants optimize expansion strategy and operational execution. Most successful global expansions blend both. Legal teams handle contracts and regulatory hurdles, while consultants provide actionable insights to attract franchisees and scale operations. The takeaway is simple: if you skip legal support, you may face costly disputes or compliance failures. If you skip consulting, your expansion may be slow or poorly executed. For global growth, combining the expertise of both ensures your franchise is legally protected and strategically positioned to thrive in new markets.